Hi and welcome. I'm Clara from Bali Invest. Right now, we're at our first completed project, the Segara Seaside Resort on Nusa Ceningan Island. Over 125 investors have joined in this resort project with investments starting from just $1,300, and they're looking forward to return of over 20%. How is that possible? Let me explain. At Bali Invest, our vision is to bring German quality standards to Bali, one of the world's most exciting real estate market with massive growth potential. Our next project, the Lovina Retreat Wellness Center, is where you can get involved. This project taps into three booming markets. The first one, Bali's real estate, where returns of 10 to 20% are quite common. The second one is the global wellness industry. And the third, the $16 trillion tokenization market, expected to keep growing through 2030. Our aim is to make real estate investment here in Bali more accessible and, most importantly, transparent. Indonesia, the world's fourth most populous country, draws over 10 million local tourists to Bali each year. And Bali itself is a top global travel destination loved for its culture and warm hospitality. Countries like India, China, and Indonesia are leading global growth. And this year, Indonesia has even overtaken China in economic growth, ranking second worldwide. During pandemic, those who build villa projects here, waiting for tourism to return, are now seeing return up to 50%. This is not the norm, of course, but with the right expertise and location, it's absolutely achievable. This is why we specifically chose to focus on high growth areas for our projects, such as Nusa Ceningan Island and the region in the north of Bali. Thousands of visitors travel to Nusa Ceningan from Bali daily. And with significant infrastructure projects underway, including a new marina, a complete island rail system, and a new airport in the northern Bali, just an hour from our second project, the Lovina Retreat and Wellness Center, making growth potential here enormous. At Lovina and Wellness Center, we have set up multi-income streams that investors can benefit from, with investment starting only from $1,400. This includes a high-end fitness studio, sauna, ice bath, salon, and beauty clinic, health shops, and a variety of wellness offerings like retreats, yoga classes, and boxing classes, all of which contribute to the high returns. With Segara Seaside Resort now completed, we're excited to report that shares have already increased by 2 and 4 times in value just a year and a half after investment. Through tokenization, we make it possible for everyone to acquire shares in our project, something that was once only accessible to large investors. So what is tokenization? It is a way of dividing a real estate project into digital shares on the blockchain. This means you can see the transaction register, exactly how many shares you own, and track all transactions. Over 260 investors are already part of our Lovina Retreat and Wellness Center project, where they can view all project costs, construction updates, and other details. We are very dedicated to keep our investor fully informed every step of the way. Our entire tokenization model is backed by notarized contracts, which means the smart contract has full legal certification in Indonesia. One great example of tokenization is that your capital stays liquid. For example, if you hold 50 shares, and when the project doubles in value, you can decide to sell 25 or half of your shares. You will immediately see a return, while the remaining 25 other shares continue generating passive income. This passive income can elevate your lifestyle, supplement your retirement, and go towards whatever else you want in life. You can find hundreds of positive reviews about Bali Invest and the Segara Seaside Resort on Google Maps. Plus, we have obtained ISO certification for quality management and information security management system. But instead of me telling you more about us, let's hear directly from our investors about their experience with us.
The website from Bali Invest, then I say, oh, it's a good point to diversify my investments, because I have also real estates in Germany. I make the decision to write the Bali Invest.
And also with Jonas, it was a really big trust. For the first time we met him.
I take test investment in this project. Then I make a little bit bigger investment in the next project. And now you see it's a good decision, I think.
All what you're doing, it's very transparent. We can see every step, and yeah, that makes us trust.
If you have any questions, we're more than happy to answer them in a personal conversation. So sign up now. One of our team members will reach out to walk you through the details and help you take the next steps. with Bali Invest. Let's secure your place, tap into this high growth market, and move one step closer to financial freedom.